This is exactly how I myself was able to fix XChat app network error. So what I had to do is to actually close my XChat app, and instead I had to go to the App Store because I have an iPhone. But if you have an Android, go to your Google Play Store instead. And then I clicked on search here, and then I searched for XChat app here. So click on XChat, scroll down and click on the app. And you can see this blue button in here. For me, it says open now, but if it says update for you, as it did for me before, you need to click on the update button here because you need to update it to the latest version. And this can sometimes fix a lot of problems with the XChat app, just so you know. And another thing you can do as well is to just swipe down like this, click on the airplane mode here, wait about 5 to 10 seconds and then disable it again. The reason why you want to do this is because sometimes this can give you an even better signal than before, and it can also fix the network errors, just so you know. I'm just gonna go back to the app here and you can see it works perfectly now for me. So yeah, basically that is how I was able to fix it myself.